Hey everyone, welcome to Arts and Crafts with Tammy. Today we're going to do spin art, or some people call it drill art. I got a canvas from the dollar store and it's an 8x10. And this here I got from the Michaels haul that I showed you guys a few weeks back. So I'm going to go ahead and use both of these for my spin art. Alright, so unwrap that. Now I want to put the Z in the middle. So I'm going to measure it a little bit to try to get it as close to the middle as possible, but it doesn't have to be exact. If you notice, the package comes with 2 of them, but I just need 1 today. I don't want to bore you too much with the measuring, so I'm going to just fast forward this part. Alright, so I didn't mark it at all, it was more just to get an idea visually where I'm going to put it. And this way I kind of makes it a little easier for me. Go. All right, now I'm going to go outside. If you notice, I already have it on my piece of wood that I need to have. Okay, this is my first time trying it, so let's see what happens. It looks pretty cool, but I realize I didn't put as much paint as I thought I did. Thought it was plenty. But I'm going to squirt some more here. It's mostly in the middle by the letter. Oops, the yellow splattered a little too much. Let's see what happens. It's pretty cool. The yellow was a little too much, but let's go ahead and peel that Z off of there and see what happens. There it is. Alright, I'm just going to touch it up a little bit. I want the white part of the Z to be touched up a little. If you notice the sides, there's a little bit of splash of paint. I think I want to do that all black to kind of frame it a little bit more so it stands out. It's a little more bold. Be super careful in this area right here. I'm going to go ahead and turn on the light, side light, just to see if it makes a difference so you guys can see all the colors in there. All right, now that it's dried, this is how it looks. You can see all the edges are dry. I did a second coat on this. It was, I saw a little bit of streaking the first time, so once it finished drying, I actually went ahead and put a second coat. I wanted to get in kind of close just so you could see the different patterns the paint made when I spun it around. There's that big splotch of yellow. I wasn't sure which way it should be hung up. I tried it this way and then I flipped it around. Still not sure. I was thinking another idea would be to take another canvas, paint it all white, and then put that Z that I peeled off right in the middle. And then I'm going to go get the other one so that way you could see them side by side. See what you think. They can always be hung right next to each other too. It's just another idea. You can get creative whichever way you like. I hope this gives you ideas and inspiration, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you'd like to get more ideas, subscribe and hit the notification button. In the meantime, happy crafting!